Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to disable all Chrome extension in a single click at once. So on doing a online payment, Chrome has notified me something like disable all the extensions, or at some point of time your Chrome may get stuck or in a solid state so that it won't work. At that point of time you want to check with disabling or removing all the extensions at once and then checking. So in this case this tutorial will be really useful. I'll just request, if you like this tutorial, just give it a hit a like. So here, see here, to open extensions on your Chrome, click on these three dots at right corner and click on extensions and click on manage extensions. So you will see this page once you click on manage extensions. See here, I have more than 5 extensions. Some of you may have 20 or 30 extensions on your Chrome. So it will take time and it will be hard if you disable individually. So I'll show you how you can disable all of them at once. To do that, you can just open Google and just search as uh, disable all extensions Chrome extension. So this is one sort of extension where you can install this. See here, disable all extensions. What I'll do is I'll add the single extensions to my Chrome, and by clicking on this single extension all the other Google Chrome extensions gets disabled. I'll show you practically. Okay, this is on the new tab, and here I need to click on the extensions to access this one. So I need to double click on this. Once I double click, just check here, accept disable all extensions. Every extension got disabled. So later what I'll do is I'll disable this one also. I'll go to extensions and I'll go to manage extensions. See here, each and every one got disabled. Now I'll disable this. So now my Chrome is disabled. All the extensions got disabled in a single click. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.